Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another share for Deck the Year, hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. She's having this open collaboration that we come on every Thursday and share what we've altered. It could be a deck of cards, it could be flashcards, it could be Uno cards, any kind of card you like. I've done both. I've done some flashcards and I've done playing cards. So today I'm here to share an altered flashcard. Um, so I kind of just went with things on my desk. Like this is what I used on my artisan journal prompt. And I just layered it up with some book pages. This is like a plain book page, but I used it, trying to use up my scraps. This is a Prima paper. And then I punched out a tab so I could hang a heart dangle or heart charm. And then I found a circle that I used on my artisan journal for circles, and this is just a die cut that I had in my stash. And because I have all these little bins of just this and that stuff all over, kind of like on my desk here off to the side, that I just pick from. And this was from a Joann's ephemera pack, Good Times Ahead. I inked the edges with vintage photo and walnut stain. And then I used my speckled stamp that I love to use. And I just speckled it here and there on the star. I think some here. But I just love how that turned out. I love this tab punch, and it is from We Are Memory Keepers. It is a must-have in my book. And yeah, that is my altered flashcard for Deck the Year, week 17. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.